We go into this career because of the fascinating physiology and the amazing technology that we have. But the more you look after these children and their families, the more you realize there's a much, much bigger dimension to congenital heart disease. These are conditions that affect not just the child, not just the family, but their friends, their wider community. But the big challenge obviously is for very tiny children to be able to explain to them about pretty complex congenital heart disease. For me, the desire to do this project really came from that recognition in a way that's non-threatening and non-technical. And so we came up with this idea of developing this metaphor, which is a racetrack. We can mimic or model most forms of congenital heart disease. We've tried to make it fun and friendly for the children so that the education is really just almost a side effect of the whole video. And so we've developed these great characters based on Texan sort of icons, a bison and an armadillo. And they explain to children about what congenital heart disease is about. Because these can be truly devastating conditions, and they really need a much wider solution than just the interaction between the doctor and the patient.